Are you looking for inspiration on social media but aren't sure how to get there? These tips will help you feel creative even if you don't feel inspired. Creativity is the key to a successful campaign in digital marketing. Big budgets can be won over by creativity. HBSPT Forms. Create, region, now1, portal ID, 8477337, form ID, 56667B16F91441E1A1B8F3DD5A4212. How can you be more creative with social media? It is difficult, especially in an industry like ours where we are constantly dealing with repetitive tasks and numbers. Social media marketing is actually made up of many micro-tasks. It is important to not overlook any of these micro-tasks. A social media marketer who is successful must be organized in order to manage all the little tasks. It is difficult to be creative. How can you keep your creativity alive while also being productive and organized? Let's first look at the importance and then consider some creative tips to help you feel more creative. Why is creativity important? It may seem obvious, but creative people are more likely to be inspired. They are more likely than others to think of innovative ways to differentiate your brand from the rest and to create quality social media content. Businesses are not always keen to invest in creativity. Business people rarely think, how can we be more creative? They may be more interested in products and services, or any number of other things. Creativity is more than just crafting a better copy or finding an even more beautiful image. Based on a Forrester survey, 82% of executives believe that creativity leads to greater market share and higher revenue. However, 61% of executives don't consider their company creative, according to the same research. What is the reason for this disconnect? From personal experience, I know that it is extremely difficult to combine creativity with productivity. Therefore, executives tend to prioritize the former. We need to do the job so that we can get the job done. What if I told you that you can be creative and productive? You can actually use structure to encourage creativity. 1. Brainstorming. Structure your day. One common belief is that structure can hinder creativity, as creative minds are not fond of limits. In reality, structure may help you maintain creativity. It will reduce stress. This year, stress relief is crucial. It can save you time and allow you to be more creative. You can set aside some time each day for brainstorming or creative tasks. There is no one way that will work for everyone. Your personality may play a role in how you organize your day. To be more creative, incorporate brainstorming into your daily life. These are just a few of the many ways you can try them. Make daily to-do lists. To-do lists can seem intimidating. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.